everyone. In this video, we'll be taking a close look at a new casting for Matchbox, the 1966 Chevelle Wagon. Let's first by taking a look at the packaging itself. The packaging has the art of the car. It looks very detailed, and which is fortunate because it actually looks like the toy car itself. And I don't know, but to me this art looks more pure white or pearl rather than the cream that the toy car is. As you can see, there is the new casting logo and Chevrolet, and this car is 124 out of 125 for Matchbox mainline. And at the back here, you can see again the name of the car, the code, and the production code. It's made in the 8th week of 2025. And at the bottom here, we see the GM licensing detail. Wow, it's a licensed product. All right, let's move on to the car itself. At first glance, it's very creamy. The paint itself is a matte cream, so it might look yellowish, and you're thinking that it's because of my monitor or whatever, but no, it's actually a cream rather than a pure white. So it's not this color, it's like that from the factory. And yeah, I have a ding here. Oof, unfortunate. And the one of the first impressions when I unbox it is like, these tires are so narrow. It looks so goofy looking at it like this. Anyway, taking a look at the car in detail, the front here you get to see a chrome plastic plate, and with the headlights, it's not like differently colored, it's just the same color. And on the side, you get to see these spectacular wheels. They look really good. I don't know what it's based on in real life, and Matchbox Wiki doesn't like name their wheel type, so it's just like spiky looking wheel that we have here. There we go. And there's this little logo which I can't really read, but I think that's a Chevrolet logo, the old one. And the back here you get to see another logo. It says like a number. I think it says like 300 or something like that in the gas cap. And at the back here you get to see taillight details and the name Chevelle, and the like bumper. It's also the same silver chrome piece. And this side we get to see the same decal, the 300 and the Chevrolet logo. And something to note is that this car actually has an Easter egg. Looking at it with like a flashlight, you can see there are two little doggos at the back here. 1, 2, and they're peacefully taking a nap in the wagon while the family goes out adventuring. That's pretty cool. Something also to note here is that the back here does not have a window. The transparent piece does not go all the way. I'm not sure if it's a factory defect or maybe it's designed like this, but yeah, there's just nothing here. The passenger and driver side are also the same, and has this little ears. The top here we see, I don't know, this like arrow thing makes me think that this the back end can be detached, but I'm not quite sure on the real car how is it like. If there's anyone that knows, please leave a comment down below. And at the hood here we get to see the windshield wipers, which are casted in rather than a piece of the transparent plastic like how Hot Wheels usually does it. I know this is a Matchbox, but they're the same company, right? And yeah, at the bottom here we get to see the name of the car, Matchbox, just so you don't forget what company is from, and a little elephant, probably because they're made from Thailand. Yeah, interesting. Give it a rollsy. Rolls just as well as any like Hot Wheels or Matchbox car, but it does like tilt a bit slightly. There's some wheel wobble, maybe because of the wheel not being true. But like Matchbox cars typically like look good enough. Like you're just gonna display them. You're not gonna really play with them, especially not put them on track. But check out that gap. That's crazy. I'm not sure if that's a thing on the real car, but like that panel gap is really big. Anyway, let's give it a weigh so you guys know how heavy the car is. $40.3 grams. That's how heavy this car is. This car also reminds me of the El Camino that Hot Wheels has. They both weigh about the same, and they seem appropriate to be paired with each other since they are of the same generation. This El Camino is nominally a 1967 car, and this is a 1966, so they're probably of the same generation. So it looks very very right, just being together, even despite being different, being made from different companies, and them having different like functions in real life. They just look so good together. Yeah. Right. Let's give you guys a turntable look so you can check the car out in detail. Thank you so much for joining in today's sharing session. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.